Adding Disney Plus to your Rogers Xfinity TV is now easier than ever. Disney Plus comes pre-installed or is easily downloadable on Xfinity Flex and X1 boxes. Start by navigating to the Apps section on your device. Search for Disney Plus and download or install it if it's not already there. The app will download and install automatically. Next, log in with your existing Disney Plus credentials or create a new account at disneyplus.com. Confirm your account via email verification. Once logged in, you can begin streaming immediately. For extra convenience, use voice control with your Xfinity remote by saying, "Hey Xfinity, open Disney Plus." Once installed, Disney Plus offers 4K UHD streaming with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Atmos on compatible devices. Rogers and Disney Plus have enhanced their partnership, ensuring access to exclusive content and cross-platform syncing. If you encounter issues such as login errors or app crashes, try resetting your password via the Disney Plus app or clearing the app's cache through your Xfinity settings. Rogers Xfinity TV uses adaptive bitrate streaming, which adjusts to your internet speed, but a minimum of 25 Mbps is recommended for HD. Enjoy seamless streaming and explore the vast library of Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content.